Good morning, teacher. Today I have the pleasure to talk about the two-stroke diesel engine. The two-stroke diesel engine has four phases and it completes its cycle in two strokes. We start with the intake phase, where is the fresh air entered through the manifold inside the cylinder. Then we have the compression phase when the piston is at the bottom of the center start ascending. Meanwhile, compressed the air inside the cylinder. It's important that the exhaust valve is closed because we need to keep the pressure inside the cylinder. Then with the when the piston reaches the top of the center, we start the power stroke. In this phase, the atomizer inject fuel inside the combustion chamber, and with a high pressure, high temperature, the mixture of air and fuel ignite, and that forces the piston down forwards, and this is the power stroke. When the piston reaches the bottom of the center, the scavenging air port is open, so the fresh air inlet inside the cylinder and the exhaust valve open. With the scavenging air, the exhaust gases pushes out of the cylinder, and the whole cycle start again with the intake phase.